Hi, this is Nick and Katerina, and we're going to show you how to use a program called TeamViewer today. So basically this program allows you to control your projector or your smartboard remotely from an iPad. You can be anywhere around the classroom doing this. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we're going to go to the internet and we're going to search download TeamViewer. I'm going to do for Mac because I have a Mac, but if you have Windows, you can do download TeamViewer for Windows. Click on that one. And as you can see here, there's a section for Mac, Windows, etc. So I'm going to click the download button. Okay, so it gives you this little window, and just keep it open until you open up TeamViewer on your iPad as well. So now we're going to show you how to download TeamViewer onto your iPad. Okay, so you go to your App Store, download TeamViewer, and then once you've downloaded it, just click on the app. Once the application opens, it says please enter your partner's ID in order to control the remote computer. So if you look at your computer, there's a little window, as we said, and it says your ID over here. So you're going to put that number in the little box over here. So 375468. And this is going to be different for every computer that downloads it. So it's connecting now. And now it says, please enter your partner's password. And again, over here on the window, it shows you a little arrow with the password, and you just have to put that number in. Okay, so I'm just going to click continue. And there you go.
So once you've connected your computer up to your smartboard or projector the same way you would any other time, and then you run the TeamViewer app, what you can see on the iPad is the exact same thing as what you have on your desktop, which is sitting over there in the corner, as you can see. What this allows you to do is be able to control your computer regardless of where you are in the room. So you can be continuing a lecture, helping a student, while still controlling your slides from across the room. So as you can see, I can come down to the bottom. I can access Safari or anything I want. This bar up here kind of gets in the way, but if you want to hide this, you would just click on this arrow here and it would disappear. And you can notice that everything I'm doing on the iPad is happening on the screen. So I'll just show you by opening up, let's say, Safari really quick. So once you've opened up Safari, what you have to do to get your keyboard is you have a little list of icons down here that you can click on. The one that looks like the keyboard is the one that you'd click on, and then you'd type in what you'd want to go to. So let's just go to Wikipedia. And now Wikipedia has popped up in our background. And you would access it the same way you would any other way, by scrolling around and clicking on it. Your screen acts as the cursor, so whenever you're scrolling, you can notice I'm scrolling around in this black area, and whenever I want to click on something, I just tap on the screen once and it loads up the web page. So the screen acts as your mouse, and you can orient the screen sideways so you can see it at different angles. Likewise, if you want more instruction on how to use the mouse, there's this little button down here, the finger. You'd click on that and it'll tell you how to control the mouse better. So we're just going to go continue. Now if you want to close your TeamViewer, there's that X in the bottom corner that I just touched. You click on that and then you'd click close, and then the connection is lost, and you can see that it's turned off on the computer too. Something that should be noted is that it's free for personal use, so that means the school couldn't really put in a heat ticket for this because it would be breaking the law in that sense, but there's nothing stopping teachers who are interested in using this to download it on their own. and teach their own personal classes with this app. If a lot of teachers do have interest in using and learning this app, then there's another app that you would call, you could download called Splashtop, which you could get a heat ticket for, and that way all the teachers in the school could have access to this type of app. So I hope this helped. Stay tuned for our next video.